How to log out of WhatsApp on all devices. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the Skydeck Studio. And if your WhatsApp account has been logged in on multiple devices and you're wondering to cancel all the login sessions from your Android phone, then here is how you can do it. Well, so now to log out WhatsApp from other devices, simply go ahead and open up this WhatsApp application from your device, and from the WhatsApp homepage, go ahead and tap on this three dot line at the top right, and then simply go ahead and tap on the link devices right here. Now once you tap on this one, you'll get to see all the device lists that you have linked or logged in your WhatsApp account for. For example, you'll get to see I have the Safari right over here. I have logged in my WhatsApp on the Safari browser, but if you have logged in other devices, you'll get to see the list of options right over here. And then simply go ahead and select the device that you want to log out your WhatsApp for. So let's say I'm going to select my Safari right over here and tap on Logout, and your WhatsApp account will be logged out from that specific device. And following the same way, you can actually log out your WhatsApp from multiple devices that you might be logged in. And this is how you can log out of WhatsApp from all devices. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.